And I have a question for you. If your leather jacket is not making you look high-end, expensive, in other words, richer and hotter in 10 seconds, you are wearing it wrong. Value tip number 1, it is about the fit in the shoulders and the crop. If your shoulders float, you immediately gonna lose power. And if they bite, you are going to lose comfort. You want the seam of your jacket right at the edge of your shoulders, clean and precise. Now, what about the belt? Think about kissing your belt. Or even can crop a little touch, but not a lot. And what is gonna happen is gonna create the illusion that you have longer legs. Value tip number 2. It is about the build and the hardware of the jacket. And minimal hardware equals luxury. When you have way too many zippers and it's too busy, it means that you're trying way too hard.
And we don't wanna do that.
No, 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 no.
Now, you might be thinking matte or brushed metal on the finish of the hardware. I suggest keep it matte or brushed metal. You wanna look as classy as possible. Unless you're going full rockstar mode, which I'm all for it. Actually, I do own some of those pieces, but I use them once in a blue moon. Now, the grain matters. Smooth equals sleek. When it's like that pebble finish, it is like athletic. Suede, I would say, is more editorial. Value tip number 3. Let's go about the colors of the actual leather jacket. Black color equals strength, command. Brown, classy. And white, it is a statement. Pink, me. Value tip number 4. What about the proportions? What to pair it with? You're gonna have a bulky jacket, go slim under it. Very important. No bulky. The contrast is gonna create the shape, and the shape is gonna create the status. Alright, value tip number 5. The 2 fails to avoid. Failure 1, the sleeve swallowing your hands. Failure number 2, the jacket too stiff. Like, you should be able to hug someone, dance in it, move with it. It's kind of like it moves with you. And you can hug someone. You see? Alright, this is a segue to our sponsor for today's video, Fjackets. This is the white cafe racer. I am in love with this jacket. I love the color. I love the fit. I like, oh my gosh, the color on this. Sorry, I have the microphone in there. I just need to close this very quickly because this sealed the deal for me. I am just in love with the color. I know you might be like, Jordi, what is the big deal about it? Details, people, details. Don't go crazy when you select your jacket. Take your time, read the reviews, read the materials, and everything that I mentioned before. The color matters, the fit definitely matters, and the quality, and of course, the price. This padded in here, it's so nice. The texture, love it. Now, here is very smooth on this panel in here and gives you a good amount of space. For the winter, I can wear a jacket under it. I can layer it with a hoodie and it still feel comfortable. So it's not gonna bother me at all. If your body frame is similar to mine, a small fits like a glove and you can layer 2 or 3 pieces and you have plenty of room. And at the same time, I don't know how they do it, but it's not too bulky either. It's like magic. And the color, it is just like this beautiful creamy white color. It is not too stark of a white. It's modern but classy at the same time. By the way, perfect as a holiday gift. And the thing is, with white jackets can scare a lot of people. Not with this one, because this one, it is like an off creamy white. It's just like the perfect shade. This jacket reads refined. It is not loud. It is not busy. It's just definitely pure luxury, pure class. So I'm gonna zip a few times up and down so you can see. Very good quality zipper. I'm going up and down several times. It glides, doesn't get stuck. You see, up and down, up and down. I'm gonna drop the link below right now. And if you're thinking about a leather jacket, then the search is over. I'm about style. I'm about helping you put things together. So if you're watching my video, I want that when you click out of my video, at least you're gonna walk away with 1 tip. Let's go now with our first look of the night. You're gonna actually pair it with a black knit sweater under it. Oh, And what about some Chelsea boots with it? Done. Look at those three elements together and you look like chef kiss. I will date you right away. You walk with me looking like that, come to me. Now let's think, we are gonna go and head to the airport. How are we gonna style this jacket? A t-shirt, some tailored joggers will be fantastic, and sneakers, clean and simple yet effective. So let's say that we are gonna go to an event and we wanna wear our leather jacket. What we're gonna do is a tonal bottom-up shirt, like classy, that's what we want. And then we're gonna pair it with pleated trousers. You're replacing the sports jacket with a leather jacket. That's another way to see it. Now everything is good and dandy, you're ready to buy your jacket, you know how to style it, but how are we gonna take care of the jacket? That's so important that not many people talk about. A lot of influencers will not even tell you about how to take care of things, right? I am different, I'm gonna tell you how to take care of your jacket. Huge mistake.
No wire hangers.
No wire hanger!
Don't make that rookie mistake. I have been the stupid one that have done that before and I ruined my jacket. Not quite, but it took me months to try and get it where it needed to be. No wire hangers. Zippo. Go outside and air dry it. Yeah, you're gonna be like, what? Yes, sometimes these jackets need to breathe, especially if you don't wear it for a long time. Take it out for a little trip to your backyard, just for a few minutes. Let it breathe. And make sure that you put some conditioner, like a light conditioner, kind of like our skin. We have to put moisturizer. The leather jacket, even as it ages, it looks absolutely beautiful and you wanna share the wear. And the more you wear it, the better it looks, the better it fits. But if you want to really elongate and keep that sheen and that beautiful look, like it almost looks brand new, condition your leather. Trends come and go, leather jacket will never go away. Now I have a question for you. Which look hit hardest for you? Which one do you like the best? If you feel that this video is going to be helpful for you, of course, you're going to tap like right there below. Hopefully you're part of this community, so please subscribe so you don't miss out on any of the content that is coming up about fashion tips. I'm doing a lot of beauty tips as well, so this channel is very inclusive. Not only is catered to my gay queer community, it is for the modern man that it is a straight guy, but yet it is not afraid to explore with fashion, with makeup, with nail colors. It is an open mind type of guy for the modern girl as well that wants to have that blend of a little masculine power with something feminine. This is for everyone. And if you feel like a friend could use of these videos, feel free to share them. When you wear something that you feel good and empowered, it changes your entire day. It can impact even your life, your job, the people that you want to attract. So definitely image is so important. What is good to know is that it has to reflect your personality. Always. So let me put this into perspective. If you're a gay guy watching right now and you're afraid of doing your nails, putting on makeup, don't do that. What are you doing? You are hiding under the rock to please the masses, to please friends. People that like you, people that love you are gonna be there for you, to support you, to go along the way. Because then, if I inspire you, you can inspire the other can inspire the other, and it's like a domino effect. But if you're hiding under the rock, you're making no service to the world or to your own life. We're gonna go more into those details really soon with my icon ebook. I was not gonna mention anything, but it's gonna be an ebook that you can download and you're gonna get a lot of tips from me, my own personal story, and I am so excited. And my upcoming webinar where we're gonna spend one-on-one together and I get to know you more, and not saying anything more. It's on the works, and stay tuned for that because it's gonna be really exciting. Thank you once again, Fjackets, for sponsoring today's video. Thank you so much for believing in me, for believing in my community. Your jacket's incredible, seal of approval. I hope you're gonna be inundated with orders. I love your products so much. Again, thank you. I'm gonna have a lot of use out of this jacket for sure. My audience, I love you guys so much. Thank you, gracias por estar aquí, los amo. I'm Georgie Miller, and you better stay icon.